Welcome to a quick introduction of the Southwire CCF C1 compression crimp tool, part of Southwire's broad line of tools and equipment. The Southwire CCF C1 compression crimp tool securely attaches F-type connectors to coax cable in one easy step. It is preset to work with the industry standard 20.3 millimeter compression connectors. Simply insert the connector into the crimping nest and squeeze the handles. The double molded handles provide a comfortable grip, and the powerful crimping force ensures a solid mechanical and electrical connection. For more information on the complete line of Southwire tools and testers, visit our website at southwiretools.com. Southwire Tools, built for durability, built for reliability, built for work.